Hey there, Hush Puppy. You put your fucking foot in it now. I'm gonna make a video all about your Tiamat, you piece of fucking dirtbag shit. You ready for this, Hush Puppy? You're done, you little fucking cunt. You are openly fucking twisting truth right here, you little bitch. We're gonna cover this extensively today, bro. No fucking holes for you. What could this mean? You're a lying cocksucker. Your people listen to you are crazy. Looky here. None of that's Tiamat. You're a piece of fucking dirt. Why? The Enuma Elish, which you're talking about, because the first fucking mention of Tiamat as a goddess. Marduk fought Tiamat and forms the earth from her corpse. The Enuma Elish, the first writings ever, say that Marduk formed the earth from her fucking remains. The entrails became the asteroid belt. So now we've got the entire fucking remainder of her corpse being Earth and the asteroid belt. I'm done. The myth of the Enuma Elish. It's Babylonian. It's been around for thousands of years. All you got to do is a simple Google search to find out. Fucking Tiamat was destroyed totally. Half of it is the asteroid belt. The other half became Earth, according to the third tale of the Enuma Elish. He split her in two. The top half was the asteroid belt, and the second half was he forms Earth from her corpse. The rest of it became the asteroid belt. Killed her, split her in half, asteroid belt, and Earth. So that takes care of both halves. Bud, it's destruction which resulted in the formation of the asteroid belt. Tiamat. Tiamat destroyed, became the asteroid belt and Earth. There is no chunk left, you stupid fuck. You are creating shit out of your ass that is an obvious lie, dude. Thousands and thousands of fucking years old lie. Anybody could do a simple search. Anyone could listen to the Enuma Elish and realize, Hush Puppy, you're out there making up shit for money, dude. You're making up shit for money and misleading people to their death. Period. For a fucking dollar, dude. You're a cheap bitch. Every bit of your fucking content is based on a made up lie, dude. Every airplane in the fucking sky becomes Tiamat to you and your fucking viewers, dude. It's hideous. It's pathetic. I mean, really pathetic because you saw the results of a fucking simple search. Tiamat was completely destroyed. Her entrails became the asteroid belt, and her other half became Earth, according to the Enuma Elish. According to you, that shit's following us. It doesn't exist, you stupid fuck. You've got fucking 8,000 people over here, almost 9,000 people clapping for a fucking lie, dude. And then you have the balls to call me a liar. Fuck your mother, dude. She should be slapped for doing it wrong. Because she sure as fuck did it wrong with you, boy. You're a menace. Completely destroyed. Completely destroyed. Completely destroyed. Now, what I'm wondering is, are you doing the Final Fantasy version? Because that's a fucking game, dude.